second part of exercise 10D from question number 5. State whether or not the following sets are empty. You know very well about empty sets. Okay, so the first one question is prime numbers divisible by 2. Prime numbers divisible by 2. As you know, the only prime number, even prime number, is 2, and 2 is divisible by 2. So simply this set is not empty. Then negative natural numbers. As you know, natural numbers are starting from 1, 2, 3. They all are positive. So there is a no negative natural number. So your set is empty. Woman with height 5 meter. Woman with height 5 meter. Actually 5 meter means near about 17 to 18 feet. So woman with height 17 to 18 feet is not a possible thing. Okay, so empty set. Then prime numbers between 17, sorry, integers less than 5. Yes, integers less than 5 we are having 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, and minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. You don't know what is the last integer here, so infinite. Sorry, it's not empty. Then prime numbers between 17 and 23. हमको सिर्फ ये बताना है कि सेट एम्प्टी है कि नहीं है. सो 17 और 23 के बीच में प्राइम नंबर, आई थिंक देयर इज अ नो प्राइम नंबर बिटवीन 17 एंड 23. सो दिस विल बी ए empty set because 18 is divisible by 3, 19, yeah, 19 we are having. Okay, so for this question you can write non-empty. The next question, set of even numbers not divisible by 2. As you know, all the even numbers are divisible by 2. Question number 5 you can solve. Okay, then question number 6, again equal sets or equivalent sets that we have to identify. So the first question is natural number less than 5. As you know, natural number less than 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then second set is letters of word boat. So B O A T. As you can see, they are not same. That means they are not equal set. But the number of elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 elements, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 elements. So these two are said to be equivalent set. Okay. Then second question, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and even natural numbers less than 12. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 equal sets. Then third question is 1, 3, 5, 7 dot dot dot. This dot representing further values we are having here. Then set of odd natural numbers. As you know, odd natural numbers starting from 1, 3, 5, 7, the same one you will get. So equal set. ठीक है, तो इक्वल सेट मीन्स व्हाट, एग्जैक्टली सेम मिलेगा. जैसे इक्वल और इक्विवेलेंट की अगर बात करें तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है लेटर्स ऑफ वर्ड मेंबर. मेंबर MEBR and then in remember REMB. As you can see, all the elements are same, so equal set in member and remember. Then negative natural number. Negative natural number तो होता ही नहीं है, और 50 day of month ये भी नहीं होता, तो neither equal nor equivalent. Clear? Then even natural numbers and odd natural numbers. Even natural number 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on, and odd natural numbers 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. So दोनों के numbers लास्ट में क्या होंगे ये तो नहीं बता, but equal होंगे. So that sets are equivalent. So like this you can solve question number 6. Question number 7, finite and infinite, you can solve. Then in question number 7, the third question, number of electrical appliances working in your house. How many devices or appliances you are having at your house? Simply you can count. You are not having infinite devices, so that is finite. Then fourth question is x is such that x is a whole number, x is a whole number greater than 20. x जो है एक होल नंबर है इन ग्रेटर देन 20. So greater than 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, you don't know what will be the last number. So infinite set. So you can solve question number 7, question number 8, true, false. Okay. The last question, question number 9, disjoint and overlapping. You know very well about disjoint. Disjoint means what? The elements are different. Elements are different. Then in overlapping, common elements you will get. Okay, some common elements, some common members you will get. For example, set A equals to girls with ages below 15 years. Then B set equals to girls with ages above 15 years. Okay, so these two sets are overlapping or disjoint that we have to find. So in this case, girls with ages below 15 years. Below 15 years means what? 1 year to 14 years maybe they are having age. Then second is girls with the age above 15 years. Above 15 means what? Right from 16 years to कितनी भी एज हो सकती है. सो इज़ देयर एनी कॉमन? कुछ कॉमन नहीं है इसमें. 15 ईयर्स से कम की बात हो रही है, उसमें 15 ईयर्स से ज़्यादा की बात हो रही है. सो सिंपल, नथिंग इज़ कॉमन. नथिंग इज़ कॉमन मीन्स व्हाट? डिसजॉइंट सेट. डिफरेंट है ना दोनों, डिसजॉइंट सेट. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, बॉयज़ विथ एजेस अबाउट 20 ईयर्स. ऐसे बॉयज़ जिनकी एज 20 ईयर्स से ऊपर है और ऐसे बॉयज़ जिनकी एज 27 ईयर्स से ऊपर है. तो 20 ईयर्स से ऊपर है मीन्स 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30 और भी होंगे. अब 27 से ऊपर है तो 28, 29, 30 एंड सो ऑन. तो ये कॉमन तो मिल रहा है ना यहाँ से. देखो 20 ईयर्स अबव एज में भी 28, 29 वाले आएंगे और 27 ईयर्स अबव में भी 28, 29 आएगा. सो ओवरलैपिंग. Then next question is natural numbers between 35 and 60. 35 to 60 between numbers natural we have to write. Then numbers from 50 to 80. Okay, so 35 to 60 के मिडल में, बिटवीन में जो भी नंबर्स हैं, तो 36 से लेकर के 59 तक. तो एज यू कैन सी 50 से लेके 80 तक, तो 51 तो इसमें आएगा, 52 भी आएगा. क्लियर. 35 टू 60 में 35, 36, 37, लास्ट 59 तक आएगा. और इसमें लास्ट कितना आएगा? 51 से 79. तो 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, these are common. So overlapping set. Overlapping means what? Common elements you will get, then overlapping. If not, then disjoint. Then students of class 9th studying in ICSE board and students of class 9th. So in this particular question, students of class 9th is given to you. Okay, then simply overlapping set. Why overlapping? Because already in the class 9th the school is ICSE board, so the students are in that class 9th, so overlapping. Then letters in word Allahabad and Mussoorie. So in Allahabad simply A, L, H, B, D, and in Mussoorie M, U, S, O, R, I, E. Is there anything common? Nothing is common. So they are disjoint. They are disjoint. So your exercise 10D is over now.